folks. I'm here at Quartzsite and had a problem today with the connection to my water heater. And let me show you what's going on. I'm going to flip the camera around. Alright, so here's my problem. I don't know what, can't remember what is the in or the out, but so I took both hoses off. Let me crawl up inside there and show you what I have. I hope it's going to be bright enough for you. Alright, so right there, the one in the water hose on the left is the one that blew. I don't know whether that's in or out, probably in. So I took both hoses off and cut the ends off and redid them. Unscrewed those pieces there and redid those. Talking about those metal ones right there. Took them off. And then I blew air through the system to make sure that, you know, it wasn't clogged, and that maybe that was the reason why it caused the burst. But so anyhow, I got it all back together, and I put goop on it to seal it. So I'll let it set for a couple hours and see if it takes. Hopefully it will. Hopefully it won't blow again. If it blows again, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. But now, well, it's not going to blow now. But the only question I have now is, are those clamps going to hold and not leak? Because when I put it back together, I had the clamps about as tight as I can get them, and they were squirting out. So that's the reason why I took the hoses back off again and put the goop on there, and I'm gonna let it set for a few hours and see how that works. So in the meantime, I don't have any water. What I probably should do, and I think I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna put a shut-off valve right there, so that I can shut that piece off and still use my water, even though it's cold. That's just my water heater there. So anyhow, I just wanted to give you an update of what was going on. So yeah, I'm laying on my side right now looking at that, but just wanted to sign off for today, or for now, on this project, and I'll let you know whether or not it worked or not. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and be safe. Have a good day.